What's up, guys? I'm here with, I guess, technically my second video ever, and today we're gonna be fishing. I'm in Florida on vacation, and I'm staying at a place, and it has a canal right in their backyard. So I had live shrimp from yesterday, but I think they're all dead. And sorry if my mic quality is bad, but let me move my mic. I hope that's a little better. But I might have to change to a head mount if this chest mount gets annoying with casting and reeling. And then I had to tie on. Then tie on. I think my leader is down there. I have no clue. Yesterday there was a whole bunch. There was a ginormous school of ladyfish. They were all over. I caught one with jigging a shrimp. I think my shrimp just went bye-bye. Sorry if my angle's bad because my phone's on a chest mount and it's kind of wobbly. So I'm sorry. Maybe next time I should use my GoPro, but the GoPro kind of gets annoying and I don't really know how to use it that well yet. I think they might have just ran out of oxygen. Because my buffaloes died. I had 2 on them last night. And I think they both died. Did you see that? Yeah, I'm really sorry about this. I don't think the head mount's going to be any better. But next time I will use my GoPro. So maybe that'll help a little. It's kind of hard to cast with this. I think I just lost my shrimp again. We'll leave it. I need to recast this. Bro, I think I just lost my shrimp again. I just woke up and came out here, bro. It's like 10. I slept in. I'm gonna hook it anyway. I was kind of just being lazy. Because these shrimp are also soft from being in water. A couple actually cooked. I'm pretty sure. Got some cooked whole shrimp on here. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. It's also soft. That's better. But see, look, my shrimp fell off again. Was it just the head? I think it was. But that time everything fell off. Should I live stream on TikTok or Twitch? I didn't even think of that. Holy flies. Did the bait fall off that one too? I'm gonna have to check it, but this mount sucks. Look, if I don't know if you could see it, but a whole bunch of fish. They're not big. I mean, I catch them on a Saviki rig, maybe. I can't tell what that is. Is it a snapper? There goes the ladyfish.
Turn that hat around so the sun is not on your face.
I'm back. I think this ball just got hit. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut until I get any hits. It just got wet. I think I'm gonna have something. I'm not sure. It's worth the stingray. There's no way I got so many of these yesterday. Oh my. Hey. Better than no fish, I guess. But my mom got hit in her hand yesterday while we were fishing. Oh, my camera turned. Hopefully you have better mic quality, by the way. I was gonna tie on a civic rig, but I don't know how that's gonna do here. I did catch some stuff on the civic. Yeah, I heard this pole getting it. I think it's just the wind. Let's see if I can handline the Saviki. I don't think they're interested. I am also handlining. I think it's gone on my shrimp. It took my shrimp. Did it? Yeah, it did. Where's that Saviki? I don't want that just lying. I hope it didn't fall in. If you can see my face, I'm sorry right now. I'm trying to look for the Saviki. And the camera's on the way. I think I might have dropped it. It'll be fine. Yeah, get it. This really sucks. These shrimp though. Really, truly does suck. This one first. I found the rig I was looking for. My homemade rig.